Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology for the IAT. First, familiarize yourself with the complete syllabus to ensure comprehensive coverage. Prioritize understanding core concepts deeply, rather than just memorizing facts. Regularly test your knowledge with diverse practice questions to identify areas needing more attention. This approach builds a strong foundation for success. To master biology, begin by creating clear, concise notes for every topic. Incorporate diagrams and flowcharts to visualize intricate biological processes, making them easier to grasp. Consistent review of challenging concepts is crucial. Revisit them often to solidify your understanding and improve long-term memory. This active learning enhances comprehension significantly. Effective preparation involves extensive practice. Solve numerous previous years' IAT biology papers to understand the exam pattern and question types. Critically analyze every incorrect answer to pinpoint your weaknesses and prevent repeating errors. Participating in study groups offers fresh perspectives and helps clarify doubts, boosting your overall confidence. As you approach the exam, maintain a consistent study schedule, dedicating specific times each day. Prioritize your well-being by ensuring you get adequate sleep and maintain a balanced diet. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your study sessions and on exam day. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. A calm mind performs best under pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.